Starting off today's video, we have to do a little bit of work to the Z. So we've got that little bit of work done. You may be wondering, Madison, what are we doing in today's video? Well, actually, as I mentioned in the previous video or 2 videos ago, I've actually been learning how to drift on my car. So it is a Thursday night. There is an unused parking lot that we have been learning in. And so me and Ken are gonna meet up right now and go do some steering practice. It's been so long since I've refilled my power steering fluid. Ugh, this just feels so good. So I thought I was gonna get some clips on my GoPro, but it died. So I'm gonna just leave it in my car to charge while I wait for Kate. We're gonna go ahead and get some laps in before Kate comes, and then we'll kind of just chill out.
Hello there.
Holy shit, that was so much fun. The echo is fucking crazy. Fuck. That was so fucking cool. I did it for a second. I'm getting it. I did it.
Yeah.
I did it.
Touch point,
Yeah.
as soon as you're at about a 45-degree angle, grab the wheel.
Okay.
Your wheels will naturally point where they need to point, so you don't need to worry about putting the wheel. But once you're about 45 degrees, grab the wheel.
45 degrees, like from the car? Like the car
car-
feels 45?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Too late. Nice.
I got too ahead of myself on that one. That one was good though. I did that.
My phone.
Oh no.
Oh, that was good.
You did that. Ooh. Imagine my phone fell. I have blown my tires out so bad that they are showing wire. I'm not mad. I'm completely okay with that. But can you hear that? Little damage assessment. Not too bad. Obviously, you know, not good. Some wire showing. And on this side, lots of wire showing. But I had fun. Alright, we made it back home. I hope you enjoyed the little drift session. Please do not judge me too hard because I am still learning. I'm trying to just understand what I'm doing. Huge shout out to for helping me with that. But I'm about to go to bed. It is currently 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm super freaking tired. My poor car, She needs to rest. But tomorrow we are going to actually take the 2 bumpers that you've seen in the last video, the front and the rear bumper. We're going to put them in my mom's car and we are going to drop them off at Logan's house because Logan needs them for his Z project. And as you guys seen, I replaced my front and my rear bumper, so I no longer need them. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Bye to the bumpers. We're dropping them off at Logan's house because I don't need them and he does. So little side quest for the day. A little bitty side quest for the evening, if you will. He's got a pretty sick lineup. Look at this. 300, 350, 370. Another 300 right there. Alrighty, I think this is where we're going to call the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching yet another video, and I actually have some exciting news that I'm going to talk about in the next video, so I'm sorry to make you guys have to wait, but shout out to for helping me with the learning how to drift, really, because he was teaching me a lot about the catch point, how to blip the throttle, a lot of stuff like that. Super important stuff, and I know it's not technically like drifting because I'm not on a track, I'm not on a course, but it is the start, which is the start of something great, which I will tell you guys about in the next video. And then also that clip was my girlfriend showing her what I've learned over the past couple of days, which was really exciting. She's super excited for me as well, so that's fucking awesome. But I am super tired. I'm at Taco Bell. I'm about to grab me some food and then head back to the house and go get some sleep. So I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, we're moving. But like I said, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. You're not going to want to miss the next video because I have something super exciting to announce. And please comment down below some tips and tricks whenever it comes to the whole drifting thing, because I'm super excited to learn and I could use all of the advice I could possibly get. And if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, or if you didn't, please leave a dislike. I don't care. But also, there is going to be some new merch dropping soon, so anything that is currently on the shop right now will be discontinued. It will no longer be available, so grab you some while it's hot. Link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.